The other thing we can improve here is taking this API endpoint constant out. Chances are we're going to use this URL in several places in our application. We don't want to hard code it on top of app module. That's just so ugly. So let's move this to a configuration file. Here in the project, in the source folder, let's add a new file. Call it config.json. Here we add a JSON object. Let's add a key called API endpoint and set it to this URL here. So let's cut this string and move it here. Good. Now here we could have several other configuration parameters. Currently, we only have our API endpoint. Now back to app.js, we can remove this ugly line from here. And on the top, import config from current folder config.json. Now, anywhere we have a reference to API endpoint, we can prefix all of them with config dot. So I've selected this API endpoint. Let's select the other references. Good. Let's change them to config dot API endpoint. Like this.